truly humbling to be here today, revisiting a chapter of our lives that tested not just our systems but also our very humanity. I should appreciate and congratulate Krishna and Arun Tiwari sir for capturing this journey of COVID so thoughtfully. It was a very, very testing time. చాలా ఒక క్లిష్ట టైంలో మన అందరూ కూడా పనిచేయడం జరిగింది. It was not only as a Cyberabad police commissioner, merely a professional responsibility. It was also a deep personal battle. Each day we faced uncertainty, fear and loss around us. Every day, myself and Krishna, we used to receive hundreds of calls asking for beds, medicines, help, groceries and all. But each time, the SAC team, the Cyberabad police and all the volunteers rose up and they delivered each and every need which the citizen wanted. Yet in those darkest months, we witnessed an extraordinary courage from the ordinary people, mostly our police constables, medical staffs, volunteers, industry partners and citizens who stepped forward without any hesitations. Especially our volunteers, we should appreciate their parents who let them come out and help the Cyberabad police and the secretariat team. Lot of చాలా మంది పేరెంట్స్ కూడా మాకు ఫోన్ చేసి దే యూస్ టు కాల్ us, how is our boy, how is our girl sir, she is taken care or not, or he is taken care or not. We always used to assure them that they are in the safest hands, and each one of them almost they work 24 hours running the call center, attending thousands of calls every day. It was a really very testing times. I should appreciate all the volunteers who are here and who have also worked with the Cyberabad police and the Cyberabad Security Council team. I should also take this opportunity to thank and appreciate our ex-DGP sir, Mahendra Reddy sir. With his vision, this Institute of Cyberabad Security Council was started with all the industry leaders, especially Krishna and all, in way back in 2006. That came very, very handy during the COVID times. We could work with all the industry leaders, assured them, and also the employees, all the stakeholders round the clock working for them. So I take this effort to appreciate the effort of the Cyberabad police, the SAC secretariat team, the industry leaders, the hospital managements, all the hospitals which were in Cyberabad and Hyderabad, they came forward and they really helped all the people. Whenever we called for any help, they were there to help us, the volunteers and all the people who helped us in this endeavor. So COVID not only changed the face of policing, and it was not only about law and order, but also taking care, empathy, service and standing by the people in the loneliest moment. So I would also like this opportunity to inform Governor sir that along with Hyderabad Security Council, the Cyberabad Security Council and the Art of Living Foundation, we set up an isolation center in the Rajbhavan also, which was very, very helpful for all the employees of the Rajbhavan and the nearby areas, citizens also, and it was very, very useful and it was appreciated by everyone. So I appreciate Krishna and Arun sir for taking this, capturing all these moments of COVID and all, because it not only it's not about the book launch, it's a celebration of kindness, courage and resilience, and it also showed that when we walk the extra mile, we never walk alone. So thank you Krishna and thank you Arun sir for capturing those testing times. It's not only the story of Krishna or Arun sir or the SCAC or the Cyberabad police, it's also the story of each and every volunteer who have helped us in this testing times. I also appreciate all the Cyberabad police officials who really worked very, very hard. There were many, many cases also, but they never cared for their health also, and they came out, they helped us in this testing times. I also take this opportunity to thank our DGP sir, Mahendra Reddy sir, who was there as the DGP of Telangana state that time, and also my friend Mahesh Boga sir, who was Commissioner of Police Rajkonda. We worked hand in hand and we ensured that there was no loss of life, and every citizen who called us, both Cyberabad, Hyderabad and Rajkonda, were reached, and they were not only in this part of state, because Cyberabad had sent almost 5 lakh offices, set up 5 lakh offices not only in the state of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, but also all over the country. So each one of the volunteers they used to call, even when they required beds in Pune, Bombay, Bangalore, Delhi and all, and we were there to help them by coordinating with the concerned police officials. So that was the great work done by the Cyberabad Security Council and the Cyberabad police. So I once again appreciate Krishna and Arun sir for capturing those moments. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind.
For this book, for bringing out and chronicling the events that happened during COVID and putting it in form of such a lovely book. I think COVID was one of the most testing times in human history, maybe comparable to a World War II and a World War One. And like everybody said before, people, the best and the worst of people actually came out in those times. And what happened there, probably we've all forgotten because as times pass, our memories haze. But people who are actually at the forefront of delivering relief and organizations like SCSC, which actually came into their own during COVID period, actually stand out. So it's only leaders like Krishna Garu, who was the SCSC Secretary General during that time, and thousands of volunteers, the EC members, and others who collaborated with them to put together this massive relief effort in that time. But without which Hyderabad especially really got a name during those times as one of those cities which got up and got going really fast. So I once again congratulate them for their wonderful effort and for the book that they have put together. This organization, the SCSC, since everybody almost here has some kind of association with that, has really walked the extra mile in many ways. COVID being one of them. I would very fondly remember the extra mile that Krishna Garu walked as head of the traffic forum and did so many things in those times. And SCSC, whether it's women's safety, whether it's traffic, whether it's physical safety, now cyber safety, it's done things that one can really not envisage. And the beauty of this organization is it's one of a kind, probably in the world, which many have tried to replicate, but none could succeed. The only reason for that is people who are sitting here and people who are sitting here. So I think everybody here deserves the congratulations along with Krishna Yadulla. So on a lighter note, we like somebody said earlier, we didn't know that he had this hidden talent of writing. So we must really be careful now what we talk with an author, because authors have that capability and that inclination to put it down on a piece of paper. So now that we know, I'll be very careful when I talk with him in the future. But nonetheless, congratulations once again.